Most people get this wrong when choosing contractor software. They focus only on the monthly price and ignore what that price actually includes. And that mistake can cost way more than the subscription itself. Here's the truth no one tells you. With tools like Knowify, the real question is not, how much does it cost, but, how much time and profit does it save you every month? Because if it helps you avoid job losses, billing delays, and cost overruns, even a higher plan can pay for itself. Quick promise. In this video, you'll understand Knowify pricing in 2026, what each plan includes, who it's designed for, and whether it's actually worth your money as a contractor or construction business owner. Let's break it down simply. Knowify pricing is typically structured in tiers, based on business size and features. At the entry level, you get basic job management, estimating, and invoicing. This is usually aimed at smaller contractors or solo operators. Think someone like Alex, an electrician handling a few jobs a week. For Alex, the goal is simple: send quotes fast, track jobs, and get paid without messy paperwork. But here's the problem. The entry plan can feel limited if your business starts growing. You may quickly run into missing features like advanced job costing or more detailed project tracking. Now here's where it gets interesting. The mid-tier plans unlock more powerful features like full job costing, time tracking, and stronger reporting tools. This is where most growing contractors find real value. For example, John runs a small remodeling company. Once he switched to a mid-tier setup, he could finally see exactly where money was leaking on each project. That alone changed his profit margins. At the higher tier, Knowify becomes a full operations system. You get deeper financial controls, stronger integrations and tools designed for larger contractor teams. This is where companies managing multiple crews and big projects usually land. But let's be honest about the downside. Knowify is not the cheapest option on the market. And if you only need very basic invoicing, you might feel like you are paying for features you do not fully use. That's why choosing the right tier matters more than just choosing the software itself. So is Knowify worth it in 2026? If you are a serious contractor who wants better job control, accurate costing, and fewer financial surprises, then yes, it can easily justify its price. But if you are a very small operator with simple jobs, you might not need the full system yet. Here's the bottom line. Knowify pricing is built to scale with your business. The more complex your operations become, the more value you get out of it. But you need to choose the plan that matches where your business is right now, not where you hope it will be overnight. If this breakdown helped you understand Knowify pricing clearly, like the video, comment with your business size, and subscribe for more simple breakdowns that help you choose software without wasting money.